Look, we got fog on our windows. And it snowed again last night. Imagine. This winter just won't quit. I'm wandering around the house. It could be why I'm cold. It's 18 degrees. I'm gonna get hot. So the girls are out this morning, and I'm at home. I've been tasked to make buns. Here's my do list. Preheat oven, put the buns in. There's the buns. I've already got some of them in there. Because I don't want to do them on 2 racks, I want to do them on the same rack. So. Molly said she has whiskers like a weasel. Right? It's craft time. Jasmine's adding eyes to a little chick she's made.
I need more glue.
We've got more glue. Glue. I'll start it for you. There you go. What are you doing?
I'm going to take it off, but something else.
No.
Oh, okay, let's take it off then.
Very good, Jasmine.
I'm not done.
What do you mean you're not done?
I have to cut it. Haircut time. Hi. Do this over. Okay.
I just looked out the window, it's snowing again. Cat's licking his leg. Snippy snip sniffing. That's how the buns turned out. They were tasty. I did a good job. Panels, controller, batteries, motor, main fuse panel, going to different things, negative bus bar, 120 AC in, one ground fault plug, AC charger for the batteries. The motor will charge too. I think that's right. I've got to check it. Don't know if the ground should be tied in from the 120 to the 12. Probably not. In case something goes wrong with either system. Let's see. I'm going to the library. There's the library. Oh, Northern Reflections is too old lady for you? Oh my. It's good. Let's go to... where? The riffraff bump into when you come to the library.
How you doing?
Good.
I saw you over by the Dollarama.
Oh, did you?
So I was in line and I thought, okay, I saw you.
You can catch
so I was
up.
going to try to come around and catch up. Hey, Heidi. And
Find myself back out in the garage. I'm trying to fix my camera holder for the car. What? Adjust the volume. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, so. Okay. There's that little raised section I've got to remove because it just doesn't work. Called away there for a minute by the little girl. So I'm back. I'm going to use my little drum sander to sand that off. Just going to get that off. Hang on, I need some safety glasses. Nice. I'll be gluing this to this. One thing I always have to remember with the blue drill, take the battery out. Never leave the battery in the blue drill. Okay, let's get this done. I'll be using foam tape. I'll be sticking it to the back of this. So, gotta measure it. There. Just want it to stick on the one piece. Perfect. Okay, there we go. I'll put that little clamp on that. Not putting a lot of pressure on it, but just a little. Not enough. Make sure it stays. Put my foam tape away. Okay, I'll bring this in the house and leave it clamped like this, and it'll be good to go in the morning. The heat really helps this stuff. It doesn't want to stick very well in the cold. One of the things I've been doing today is trying to figure out my charging system for the MacGregor. And it's similar to the charging system of the Siren and the whole electrical system. It'll be charging from solar as well as a 110 or 120 volt battery charger, which is it'll be something that's boat specific. It won't be like a battery charger that you trickle charge your battery with. So I think I've got that figured out, and I've drawn it out. Now it's just a matter of getting wires, getting my solar panels. I do need a charger. That'll be coming hopefully soon. I'll find one of those. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna wrap it up here. It's cold out. I don't like being out in the cold. After giving blood, the cold really seems to go through me. So there's a couple of days anyways. I'll just get out of the cold and go back inside. The sun's starting to set. Today I've been working on the wiring for the MacGregor. I've also been exploring batteries. I think I might use 6-volt batteries instead of 12. I can find deep cell, high amp hour 6-volt batteries easier than 12-volt deep. It's hard to get the amp hours of a 12-volt, but the 6s seem to do it, and I can hook them up so that everything is still 12-volt. And yeah, the charging system will work, everything will work. So this is what I've got. Accessories, the fuse panel, everything's there. I've got some more research to do on these fuses. on between the different things, like coming from the controller to the batteries, going from the motor to the batteries, and whether there should be one coming from, I don't think, from the charger, and coming from the panels to the batteries. So, got a little bit more research, and I'll be buying a bunch of fuses, I guess. Thanks for watching. Please click the clicky things. And tomorrow I'm going to, what am I going to do? I got to do something. Oh, an assembly with Jasmine at our school.